Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Abarth 2014 model. Basically, customer change the 12-volt battery. Then after that, customer say this warning light all on. But I'm not sure. I checked the battery. Look like to me battery all fine. You can see ABS on. ESC light on. Yeah, I saw somewhere traction control ESC light. Yeah, he'll start not working. Yeah, that's a problem at the moment. I'll plug in the computer and come back to you. I got the faulty code. There is a two faulty code for the under engine management. P050068 vehicle speed because of the ABS I feeling. This one U0422-81 EPS. Okay, that's one also related to the ABS. And under the ABS C0034-01 speed sensor front right active. They said something not right, front right side wheel. Okay, now I'll try to clear all these faulty codes. Press this magic button. Come on. Yeah, engine management light gone and ABS gone. All clear up, and the dashboard also clear up. Right, see, it's came back again. But however, I'm switch off the car and start the car and have a look. Yeah, it's still something not right, but I'm going to the ABS section again, and I'm going to take a reading for the four wheels. Special function, no, data stream, sorry. I got the live data for the four wheel. I'm going to take it backward and forward and have a look what's going on for the these figures. Yeah, you can see the other three wheels get the signal. However, you can see this one zero. Wheel speed sensor front right. However, I'm going to open the front wheel and come back to you. Yeah, we already removed the sensor. You can see visually I can't see any damages, but however, I'm not sure internal anything bit. We can check from there, but however, I'm going to download another sensor and install. It's bit easy. Once you do the sensor, you can see this nut very rotted and broken, but however, I'm going to rethread in that one and do the job. Thank you. Yeah, we done the sensor, we changed the sensor, we fix everything. Still I didn't start the car, still I didn't use the computer for reset light. I'm going to start the car, have a look the dashboard. Look like a all light disappeared. Yeah, that's good. Then I'm not going to use the computer. If you don't have a computer, then you don't want to bother. Right, next step, I'm going to take to the road test and have a look what's going on with this sensor, because visually I can't see any problem, no damage, nothing. I feeling internal something not right with this sensor. However, I'm going to take to the road test and come back to you. Took it to the nice road test. You can see nothing there. I couple of times switch off, switch on. It's not coming back. Yeah, at the moment I'm feeling I done another success job. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, comment section open for you. Thank you. Now this one done. See you with the next video.